Hi everyone, today I came to visit one studio called Raghav Collection. This is an exclusive wholesale studio of jeans, cotton pant, formal pant, cargo for men and for kids. This comes in a street called Sultanpet, which comes in Bengaluru, India. It comes nearby Chickpet metro station, so I'm just showing you the landmark. The Google Maps is there in description below. This Sultanpet, the landmark is this Tulsi Tower. Right next to that, there is a street. Inside this street, little bit you have to go. And then his outlet is going to come, just go a little bit further. When you come little bit further, you can just check. This is a brand new complex, Raghav Collection, exclusive wholesale studio of jeans, cotton pant. No single piece, no retail, just check the stock like this. Like this kind of stock comes and goes different parts of India. Very big wholesaler in jeans for men, for kids, cargo. So before I show his outlet, like this you'll have to buy set wise. Like this set piece, you'll have to buy no single piece, no retail. So this is the outlet, exclusive, total 5 floors are there. 5 floors of jeans, cotton pant, formal pant, cargos for men, for kids. 100 piece, 1000 piece, 2000 piece, readily available. 5 floors, very big outlet. From here I'm going to first floor. This is first floor. And brand new outlet this is, and just check the stock. Everything will get filled, and it's getting over also. It will get filled. Just check the stock. Amazing stock of jeans, cotton pant, formal pant. Like this 5 floors are there. So from here I'm going to second floor. So this is second floor. Huge stock of jeans, cotton pant, formal pant, cargos you will get here, and for very basic price, wholesale price. Number is on video screen. Any more detail you can directly contact them. From here I'm going to third floor too, and look at this stock. This is third floor. What a stock, what a collection. Very big wholesaler, trusted place. Very good opportunity for you if you want to buy jeans, cotton pants for kids in wholesale price, cargo, formal pant, cotton pant. Number is on video screen. Any more detail you can WhatsApp them. They'll send you all details. Right now I'm introducing you to the owner of this place. His name is Mr. Jigar. Hi Jigar, welcome to my show. Jigar, tell me something about your studio. What and all you'll get over here?
You get jeans, men's, kids, cargo, baggy, stone, everything in jeans.
Formal pant, cotton pant for men and kids.
Cotton pant, everything.
Minimum how much they have to buy?
One set.
Okay, no single piece, no retail.
No single piece, no retail.
Okay,
You will get one color, different sizes.
Okay, and how many years over for you in this business?
I am from 5 years.
Okay, and
We have a business from 40 years.
40 years.
Chickpet itself.
Okay, and where and all your product goes?
Pan India,
And what is the timing of the outlet?
9 to 9.
Sunday?
Sunday holiday.
Okay, so right now I'm going to show you some sample of the jeans. So Jigar, in jeans, what is the starting price for men?
We have from 220,
Okay, and size what we'll get?
28 to 34, 36.
Okay, 28 to
Varies
34.
on different products.
Plus size also you'll get?
Yeah, you get 40 to 44. This
Okay,
is baggy,
okay. In baggy, what size to what size?
28 to 36.
Okay, baggy starts from what price?
340.
And all price are different of jeans.
Yeah, different.
This is just starting price. And total wholesale, no single piece, no retail. And just see if you want little bit in tone, like this.
Till wholesale price, you get till 1100.
And what do you want to tell about the quality of the jeans?
All varies on the prices.
Okay. Color shrinkage, no issue.
No issue.
Okay. And what about the zip quality and all?
All are fine.
Okay, cool. And now what you are going to show?
This baggy.
Okay, baggy jeans. In this, how many colors we'll get?
You get 6 to 7 colors in every variety.
Okay. And minimum you have to buy set wise, as you showed you, no single
This
piece.
is all
And
700 range.
okay. Premium range also.
Premium branded quality.
Okay. So from 225 starts, it goes till
1100.
1100. Okay, very nice. Yeah, this jeans. Just see, you will get tone jeans also. And this is cargos.
You will get cargos from 290.
Okay, little bit here, front back. Yeah. Size?
Size 28 to 34.
How many colors?
You will get 6 colors in every pattern.
Okay, very nice. Yeah, nice quality, nice fabric. Good opportunity for you if you want to start a business of jeans, cargos for men, kids. Number is on video screen. Total wholesale outlet, no single piece, no retail. Very nice collection. They are into this business from 40 years. So trusted place and full payment. No online, no cash on delivery, no credit, full payment. And just see, this is also very nice cargos, nice colors. For the price that you're getting, it's awesome. Delivery worldwide is there. Sri Lanka, Dubai, Oman, Middle East, everywhere delivery is there. Delivery charges, whatever is there, that will be applicable. Very nice cargos. उसमें collection कब when it changes?
It changes every day.
Every day.
You can
Okay.
look parcels outside.
Okay.
Every day new parcel comes.
Okay. And even if someone wants 100 piece, 1000 piece, readily
everything
available.
is available.
Right now, what you are going to show?
Formals.
Formal pant. Okay. And formal pant, any starting price you want to tell?
235.
235. Okay.
215.
And size what we'll get?
28 to 34.
Okay. And how many colors we'll get?
6 to 8.
6 to 8 colors
Varies
you
on
get.
the pattern.
Okay. And in this, like, what kind of fittings comes like?
Ankle,
Okay.
narrow.
And fabrics?
Fabrics are different, like you get cotton, you get linen,
Okay.
you get lycra,
Okay.
you get satin.
And in this also, it keeps getting updated.
Yeah.
Okay. And in this also, if someone wants in bulk,
Bulk, you'll get in bulk also.
okay. And this also set wise they have to buy.
Set wise.
Okay. So any more detail, number is on video screen. You can WhatsApp directly to them, and they'll send you all detail. Very nice collections of cotton pant. You can just have a look. Nice formal pant.
Formal pant.
Very nice, yeah.
These are satin
And just see the
pants, regular
fabrics.
formal.
Very nice. In this, how many colors we'll get?
8 colors.
8 colors. Okay. And right now, what you're going to show? Cotton pant.
Cotton pants.
Okay. In cotton pant, what is the starting price?
310, 320,
Okay. You can keep no problem there. And size, what we'll get?
28 to 36,
Okay. How many colors again?
6 to 8.
6 to 8 colors. Okay.
This is printed cotton.
Okay. Side pockets all. Cool. This you can just see mud color. Very nice. And if you want to get it altered also, very nice.
You get
Nice fitting.
nice sizes.
Yeah, nice. In this you get anything plus size? Anything?
Yeah, 42, 44.
Okay. So you can come here. Number is on video screen. Google Maps is there in description below. I'm sure once you come, you'll become the regular. And right now I'm going to show you some sample of the kids jeans. So kids jeans, what is the starting price?
125.
125. Okay. And it goes till?
700, 800.
Okay. And size what we'll get?
You'll get from 16 to 40.
Okay. 16 to 40. Okay. And wattage to wattage you get?
From 1 year to 15 to 16 years.
Okay. And in this, how much 30, 40 collections you have in jeans?
No, we have 100 collection in kids.
100 collections. Kids is always like this. Lot of
Yeah.
varieties are there. You'll
Kids
get,
we need more variety.
okay,
More
more.
men's.
And this is jogger. You can just see, you'll get jogger jeans.
Small
Cargo
kids,
jogger, you'll get very nice. This
Look
is.
small kids.
How many
16.
colors in this?
Three colors in every one.
Three colors you'll get. Okay. Very nice collections. You can just have a look. Quality is very nice.
These
Quality
are
is
all
really
box
nice.
item.
Okay.
These are 350, 250.
Okay.
That range.
So if you're in business, you want to start a new business, you can come here, have a look. Very nice collections of jeans, cargo for men, kids they're having. Right now, what are you going to show?
Shorts of kids.
Okay.
And sample cotton pants.
Okay.
Cargo pants of kids.
Size what we'll get?
This you'll get from 12 to 16.
Okay.
Shorts.
The starting price?
This is 85, 95.
Oh, nice. Age, what age to what age we'll get?
From 1 to 9 years.
And in this one, 50, 100 collections you're having?
Yeah.
Okay. Shorts also you'll get for kids over here. Okay, only for kids. Jean shorts also you'll get, cotton also you'll get. And this, jeans.
For 6 months wearing.
Oh, nice. This is also for 6 months.
Yeah.
Oh, like born baby.
Only.
Okay, nice. This is starting prices?
This is from 120.
120 rupees. Okay. In this though, lot of variety will be there.
We have variety till 700.
And just check the stock left, right. Very huge stock is having. 5 floors are there. Set wise you'll have to buy. Minimum. That is the thing, and number is on video screen.
These are 4
Okay.
ways.
Front, back. Can you show one piece? No
Formal.
problem. Okay, starting price?
Formal you'll get from 145.
145. Wattage to wattage we'll get?
From 22 to 40.
Okay.
Size.
Age.
Age is from 4 to 16.
Okay. How many colors we'll get in cotton?
Cotton you'll get 6 to 8. It varies on different items.
Okay.
These are cargos.
Okay. Starting
It's-
price?
310.
Okay. Age?
Age from 4 to 16.
Okay. And size what we'll get?
4 to 16.
4 to 16. Okay. And in this how many colors we'll get?
6 to 8.
Okay, cool.
Different items.
So before wind up, I just want to tell that this studio is having very nice collections of jeans, cotton pants, formal pants, cargos for men, for kids. We'll highly recommend you people also come to the studio. I'm sure you'll love the collections. I'll meet you in another new happening shopping destination. Till then, have a great time.